So who do you think's gonna win?
Me.
Father or little Techno Punk Drone?
Techno Punk Drone.
Of course I have an advantage. 1, professional driver. 2, sport truck. 3, Techno Pump can't barely even fly the drone.
Well, you kind of so old you could barely step on the gas pedal.
Oh, oh, that's how it is it? Old, the old talk, is it?
Mm-hmm.
The old talk. Only works part-time.
I have different thoughts of
Well, you know what thought did?
what.
It didn't cross the finish line because it was attached to Dylan.
It's supposed to be funny.
Well, I laughed. You didn't get the joke?
No. No.
Wow. And Darius is on my team and he can't even get my jokes?
So guys, we're
Where's
at
the
our
other-
location and my father's ready to lose.
Techno nerd, techno punk. There's no techno nerd, no techno punk gonna win this race today.
I just want petrol. Starbucks.
Well, if the winners go, the winners are going to Starbucks, Darius and I. Not
just want to
but not
see
taking the losers.
Daddy, I just want to take a selfie.
Oh God, boy. You haven't got that on the camera?
I'm keeping that.
Quarter-mile track. Cool shades. Cool truck. Winning attitude. Losing child. Losing drone. Losing pair. Father of the year. Racing father of the year. Just take a look at this fancy truck. Sports truck. Look at it. Oh, there's Lovely Locks. Yep. She jumped ship. She's now on the drone side. Oh, here we go. Oh, I'm gonna beat that drone hard. We'll put it in sports mode. We're getting ready. We're gonna watch the little boy cry when he's done. He's got an advantage, a little tiny advantage, because we got dirt road. Right here.
Oh, he put it quite back there.
Go down, go over to the right. That's the left. Right. You can hear the drone. There it is right there.
3, 2, 1, go!
There's a car coming. Did you win?
Yes, you win, Daddy, I think.
Let me move out of the way. You won?
Yes. Are you mad because you lost?
I didn't see that I lost, to be totally honest, Dylan. But I'm going to see again.
3, 2, 1, go! Come. That's like a tie. Who wins? Who wins? I win. Ariana, who do you think win? It was like a Okay.